Hey guys, this is Poetspice Jamie Tulu, and I'm here for the last installment of the Griffin Collab 2021. So I want to thank all those people who have been with me the whole time and who have checked out all the ladies who participated last month and this month. And so yeah, because Anna Griffin stuff is awesome, especially if you mix and match, because you guys know I'm not a matchy girl, so mix and match and turning stuff around. So let's go ahead and get started with what I have for you today. As you know, I have been using pieces out of this window frame card making kit because I am trying to use this bad boy up, and then I keep adding stuff in here from other things. So I'm like, yes, so keep the box but use the goodies in it. So I used up some more stuff in there, so it's almost gone. Most of the stuff in there is gone. I still have layers and stuff and some sentiments, but and then you guys, look what came. Yes, the Anna Griffin Carousel die that I waited and waited and waited for. Seems like forever. So you can see what I used, and of course I used papers from my stash. So I will show you the one card, the final card that I made. Awesome. So here's one of the sentiments from that kit, and of course the flowers and the little swirly thing is from that kit as well. I use these papers from my stash. So this here, this hot pink, and this base are actually Crafter's Companion or Hunky Dory. I can't remember. I know that I got them from Crafter's Companion, so it's either Crafter's Companion or Hunky Dory. As you can see here, double layered these up. The gold is from a UK company. I'm not sure which one. I want to say Kanban, but I could be wrong. It's the same gold I've been using. And then when you open it up, it's an easel card, of course. Easel card, easel card. So this, it's like, I don't want to stand up. So this little placard here, and then this piece here are also from that kit that I've been trying to kill. So there you go. So that is the card. So I am going to have a little giveaway, and I am going to cut. It's a smallish kit. It's not going to be a huge kit. I'm going to cut the carriage, and I'm going to use these colors to do it. So I'm going to use these colors to cut one of these carriage dies, and I'm going to use that as my giveaway. So it'll be sort of a kit to make one of these carriage die things on your own. So if you're interested in that, make sure you have commented, make sure you've liked, make sure you're a subscriber, and you've commented on all of the Anna Griffin videos for my channel this month, which is in September. So make sure that you've commented, liked, and subscribed for all those. And then this will, a little kit of this will be the prize. It is open to US and international, and of course you have to be over 18 and so forth. So here you go. Here's my lovely easel card. I'm obsessed with easel cards. It's just ridiculous. All right, so thanks for watching. Definitely go check out the other ladies, and we shall see you later. Bye.